Following the conclusion of the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on the 27th of February 2024, the Education Minister of the state, Rakkam Sangma, addressed the media regarding the implementation of the National Education Policy. He announced that all schools across the state will observe 10 Bagless days per year, allowing students to participate in skill development activities aimed at broadening their understanding of various subjects beyond the confines of textbooks.
We enjoy in learning, therefore to make like what you call the pressurize and to bring down the pressure on the children's, so to make children happy. So this the idea of Bagless, then this particular in one academic year has been adopted, these ideas of the NDP. Look, the minimum as a minimum max. Can say it minimum 10 days in a year, because there are many things which children have to learn. Be it music, be it gardening, be it career counseling, be it medical aid, be it on the laws, the sports, about the independence, things which we have to inculcate to the childrens on the basic things that in life. So I like going beyond the textbook is really what the need of the hour for today's generation children. It's not about the textbook, it's skills learning. So it's very important. So not only the Bagless, they will also learn the skills. So with all this idea, the Bagless idea has been come up. This like this, we should make brain heavier than the physical books. So it is not about the number of books that we learn, it's about how we learn. Therefore, I think, we are making, we are planning to make back lesser. Student will learn more effectively than the numbers, because it doesn't matter how many menus, it doesn't make the things people eat, but what we eat. Out of 100 menus, we naturally eat for 5 menus, right? So this is what we eat. How it is not what we learn, it is how we learn. It matters.
Regarding the usage of NCERT textbooks in schools, Sangma emphasized that only main course books such as English, mathematics, science and social science will be mandated, while teachers will retain the flexibility to incorporate additional reference materials beyond those prescribed by the state government.
Government of Meghalaya Education Department has only adopted for adaptation on main courses, the English, Maths, Science and Social Science. It's up to the schools of the institutions as in supplement. In addition to that course book, they can use any of those books too to supplement, and it's a wisdom of the teachers to be called. It's a head of the institutions to be called. So therefore, with respect to English grammar, from a DRT and from our side, and we have given the instruction to use additional English grammar textbook also.
But then it will, many will go for the prescribed textbooks only. They will not go beyond.
No, they can go beyond. But look, main course book, as I have said, English, Science, Maths and Social Science, these are the main course book. And to look, during my students, I have a main science textbook, but I use more than 10 called help book or guide book or research book, right? So it's up to the teachers, up to the students, up to the head of institutions to use the textbook which is suited to that main course as a supplement. So this is, we have only recommend only the main course.